Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Makartt Polygel Kit is probably one of the most sought-after nail kits for achieving salon-quality manicures at home, offering a fantastic blend of acrylic strength and gel flexibility. This kit provides everything you need to create stunning, long-lasting nails, from the polygel itself to essential tools like brushes, slips, and a convenient LED lamp, making it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Let's dive in and explore what makes this kit stand out. Number 5. Makartt Poly Nail Gel Kit. This kit lets you create beautiful, long-lasting nail designs at home. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. The neutral and sheer colors are perfect for any occasion, from everyday wear to special events. They'll make your nails look glamorous. For easy application, use a slip solution or isopropyl alcohol with the brush. It glides smoothly onto your nails for a seamless finish. With proper preparation, it will last for about a month or even longer. It's durable and flexible, so you can enjoy your manicure for weeks. It's ideal for various nail art designs, from butterflies and flowers to glitter and rhinestones. Get creative and express your style. To remove, gently file it off. For best curing, use a UV LED lamp for 60 to 120 seconds. The curing time may vary depending on the color. What we like. If you are looking for unique and fashionable nail colors to stand out, this is the perfect choice. Its easy application makes it suitable for both beginners and professionals. With proper care, your stunning manicure will last for weeks, making it a great value for your money. What people say. So I used a more expensive kit before this and I did not like the colors as much as I like these. This is my second time doing any nail extensions and look at them. I get complimented wherever I go. Comes with 6 polygel colors, the dual forms come in a wide variety of sizes, unlike other dual forms I have tried. The brush spatula are great quality, the polygel itself is very easy to work with. Polygel is softer than acrylic. So the filing shaping process is so much faster and easier. As my first time using this type of gel, I used too much and my nails came out too thick. So I had to file them down. What would have taken me hours of filing with acrylics, took me minutes with the polygel. No harsh chemical smells. Number 4. Makartt Poly Nail Gel Kit. This kit has everything you need for beautiful, long-lasting nails. It's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. It includes 6 nude pink gel colors, a slip solution, base and top coats, dual forms, and all the tools you'll need to get started. Everything is included for convenience. With proper preparation, your nails will stay strong and beautiful for up to 4 weeks. It's also great for weak or brittle nails. The user-friendly design makes it easy to achieve natural-looking glossy or matte nails. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll love how easy it is to use. 6 versatile nude shades provide a perfect base for any nail art design, from classic French manicures to trendy ombre looks. The possibilities are endless. This polygel is easy to sculpt and shape, perfect for extensions, repairs, and 3D nail art. Create stunning almond, square, oval, coffin, or French nails with ease. What we like. This kit has everything you need to create beautiful nails at home. It's incredibly durable, lasting up to 4 weeks with proper care. Its versatility allows for various nail art designs, making it perfect for those who love to experiment with different looks. What people say. So I used a more expensive kit before this and I did not like the colors as much as I like these. This is my second time doing any nail extensions and look at them. I get complimented wherever I go. Comes with 6 polygel colors, the dual forms come in a wide variety of sizes, unlike other dual forms I have tried. The brush spatula are great quality, the polygel itself is very easy to work with. Polygel is softer than acrylic. So the filing shaping process is so much faster and easier. As my first time using this type of gel, I used too much and my nails came out too thick. So I had to file them down. What would have taken me hours of filing with acrylics, took me minutes with the polygel. No harsh chemical smells. Number 3. Makartt Poly Nail Gel Kit. This kit has everything you need for beautiful, long-lasting nails. It includes a UV lamp, gel colors, and helpful tools for easy application. Create stunning nail art designs with ease. It's durable, flexible, and perfect for expressing your creativity with various decorations. Even beginners can achieve salon-quality results at home. The quick-drying formula and included instructions make it simple to use. Enjoy nails that last up to 4 weeks. It strengthens and protects your natural nails, preventing breakage and promoting healthy growth. The slip solution prevents sticking, and the dual light UV lamp cures all types of gel, ensuring a smooth and professional finish. What we like. If you value convenience and speed, this kit is for you. The included LED lamp ensures quick drying time, saving you precious time. Even beginners can achieve salon-quality results with ease, thanks to its user-friendly design and instructions. What people say. The kit comes with everything listed. The cleanser is decent-sized. Acetone does work the same way as the cleanser does, with 4 polygels, clear, light green, darker green, and aquamarine, a good nail file, brush and spatula applicator, a base and top coat, and dual forms and the kit instructions FAQ manual pamphlet. The applicators and files work perfectly and the base top coats are awesome as well, if a bit hard to read the label to tell which is which. The polygels are nice and easy to work with. The gel doesn't burn. That's a first for me. I applied them how I normally would and I was never burned through the entire process. While the application process has a learning curve, the gel isn't easily prone to movement like builder gel is. So you can take your time making sure everything is perfect before curing. Inlay is easy. My second set has a few star decals I put into the gel. With 2 coats of the top coat, these decals are here to stay until I remove the set. Number 2. Makartt Poly Nail Gel Kit. This kit has everything you need for gorgeous, salon-quality nails, right at home. It's easy to use and creates stunning results. It comes with 3 shades of extension gel, 6 glitter powders, dual forms, a brush, a nail file, and a 24W LED lamp. Everything you need to get started is right here. To prevent stickiness, simply dip your brush in slip solution or 70% isopropyl alcohol. Or, use a base coat as a slip solution. It's that simple. It cures quickly under the LED lamp in just 30 to 60 seconds. You can create beautiful mixed glitter designs with ease. The lamp has a user-friendly 1-button design. It cures your nails with low heat, protecting your hands. Cure your thumb first, then the other fingers if needed. With this kit, you can create a wide variety of stunning nail designs. Save time and money by bringing the salon home to you. What we like. If you love glitter and want to create glamorous nail art, this kit is a must-have. The powerful 24W lamp ensures quick and efficient curing. It's perfect for creating trendy and eye-catching nail designs that will turn heads. What people say. The lamp included is why I bought it a second time. I have another more expensive lamp that burns my nails and damaged my skin and nail beds. Honestly, I'm just going to say this lamp is the best. It doesn't hurt. Makartt is simply the best nail product out there. Yes, it's a more difficult learning curve, however in my opinion it's the best and safest formula available. It's also the strongest and best formula available to actually keep your nails from lifting or popping off. The brush and picker in one is amazing and very convenient, also easy to clean. Includes base and top coat with nail filer gel products, white, pink and clear, are nice and thick. I've used a tiny bit of alcohol to mold my nails. Do not use too much. UV lamp is so awesome and easy to use. It's 1 minute or 2 minute duration. You just tap on and off the power symbol from the top. The gel extension coverage white, clear and pink. I've double coated my nails after filing the desired shape. Number 1. Makartt Jelly Poly Nail Gel Kit. This kit lets you create stunning nail extensions with ease. Its unique jelly formula is incredibly easy to mold and work with, perfect for beginners and professionals alike. 6 popular pastel shades are included, offering endless creative possibilities. The translucent nature of the gel allows for beautiful nail art combinations. It's so easy to use. Simply combine it with your favorite nail art decorations to create amazing, personalized nail designs. Everything you need is included: gel, slip solution, base and top coats, dual forms, brush, file, and instructions. It's the perfect gift for any nail art enthusiast. The included slip solution prevents sticking, ensuring a smooth and even application every time. This makes creating perfect extensions much simpler. With proper preparation, your beautiful nail extensions can last up to a month or even longer. A nail drill is recommended for removal. What we like. If you prefer a unique jelly texture for your nails, this kit is perfect. Its moldable consistency makes it easy to create intricate designs. With proper preparation, your nails will stay beautiful for up to a month. What people say. It takes some time to get accustomed to how to apply the gel, but once you get the hang of it, that it's pretty easy. I've never done this before, this is my first time trying, but I am satisfied as to how the results came out. I use nail tips with mine instead of the dual forms as it was an easier way and more sturdier for me. The polygel was relatively easy to work with but very stiff and sticky. Easy to file and shape, cures less brittle than builder gel, so cuts easily with nail clippers. The slip solution is better than using alcohol. It works so well in the application shaping process. So happy it was included in this set. In regards to the polygel itself, the tubes are pretty small, but it doesn't take much for coverage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.